You know the saying, you get what you pay for? Well, that's not actually always true. You see, I paid only $594 to get back a whopping $120,000 in new clients. And I was able to achieve this by following a simple step-by-step process. I was once an agency owner that was struggling to get clients, fill my calendar with sales calls, and it was a big problem for my business. I had to find a way to change this, so I did a ton of research, tried a bunch of stuff, and most of them just didn't work. But finally, I discovered a process that actually did work, and to make sure it wasn't just luck, I tried it over and over again, and every time it brought me more and more sales calls, resulting in even more money for our company. And in this video, I'm going to be revealing the exact process, walking you through step by step how you can use it to see similar results to what I have, and how you can achieve more clients predictably for your business. So let's just break this down how this works. We have an offer that is 4 months at $3,000 total, making it $12,000 for the 4 months. So in order for us to get that $120,000 return or $120,000 in sales, all we need to do is work backward from our end goal. So to make 10 sales, we'll need 50 booked appointments because that's 20% of our close rates. To get 50 booked appointments, we'll need 250 positive replies, since 20% of the positive replies actually result in a booked appointment. To get 250 positive replies, we'll need 833 replies because 30% of the 2.7% of replies are in fact positive. And to get 833 replies, we'll need to send approximately 30,000 emails given our 2.7 reply rate. So now I know I need to send approximately 30,000 emails to make 10 sales based off of the conservative metrics that we've been given. And again, I'm going to say this again, it greatly depends on your niche, your copy, and the quality of leads that you're actually reaching out to. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to make sure that we are at capacity for it from a domain perspective. So the math here is simple. It's one email can handle about 50 emails a day. So if we want to send 1,500 emails a day, we need to get 30 emails. In order to do that, we need to buy 10 domains because each domain can handle 3 emails per domain. And I know this sounds confusing, so let's just do it together. So I know that I want to buy 10 domains. So all I need to do is I need to go to GoDaddy.com, and let's just call my company Agency U. So all I need to do is buy 10 domains that are similar to Agency U. So for example, let's just say getagency.co. If I click on make it mine and I add it to the cart and I change this to 1 year, I know that this is going to cost me $11.99 every single year. If we're getting 10 of these at $11.99, that's going to be $120 per year, or around $10 per month if we want to break it down from that perspective. Now that I have the domains, all I need to do is set up the emails underneath the domains from where we'll be sending them from. So to do that, it's pretty simple. All we need to do is go to the Google Workspace, and we're going to create 3 emails per website that we just purchased. So if we click on the business starter, get started, all we need to do is fill out these steps in order to get a workspace created so that we can start sending emails from Google and from the websites that we just created. It's pretty simple to do. So if we do that for 3 emails per domain, so that'd be 30 total emails that we're doing this for. So that would be 18, since it's $6 per, times 10 domains. That's going to be $180 per month that we can expect to invest in this. Then what we need to do is we need to get Instantly, which is where we'll be sending the emails from. What we need to do is simply just go to Instantly, and we need to log in, and we'll be able to create and log into our account. And the pricing for Instantly is $97 a month. That's the plan that we'll want to be on as we continue to grow and scale. So after we log in, what we'll want to do is we'll want to add in our emails. So essentially, since we just created everything in Google, all we need to do is click on the add new, go to Google G Suite. We're going to make sure that we enabled the IMAP access from our Google account. On our computer, we're going to open up Gmail. We're going to click on the gear icon to do that, and we're going to click on all settings, and we're going to make sure that is enabled. Then once that's been done, we have 2 options. We can authorize it just simply in 1 click, or we can do the 2-factor authorization. So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to do the quick and easy way, which literally should take you less than 2 minutes per account. So if we go to the Workspace admin panel, all we need to do is copy over the code that was given to us in Instantly. Then what we can do is click login, a pop-up will show up. Then all we need to do is log in from the account that we just created. Once that's been added, we'll be able to warm up all of the domains. So we just need to click on the fire emoji. And what this does is it warms up the domains and creates credibility for the domain. What we don't want to do is we don't want to just add the domain and start firing off a bunch of cold emails, because the emails will be seen as not reputable and it'll just end up in the spam folder. So we want to make sure that we warm all of the emails that we have inside of Instantly and get them going for around 2 weeks. So far we are at $97 per month. The warm up with Instantly, we can upload as many as we want completely free, which is pretty awesome. So now what we need to do is we need to get leads. So how are we going to find people that we can reach out to that are actually going to be responsive and actually going to be responding to the messages that we're sending out? So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to get hyper leads by Instantly, which is super easy to use. They have over 80 million different contacts, B2B contacts that we can simply add to our campaign, which I'm going to show you how to do here just in a second. From a pricing perspective, the hyper leads on a monthly basis that we'll want is $197 per month for 10,000 verified leads monthly. Guys, this is plenty of people that we can reach out to every single month and will be a game changer and investment worth investing in. So in order to get that rocking, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and go to Instantly's lead finder. And let's just say we're going after real estate agents as a job title. We're going to go for them in the United States. This gave us a list of 440,000 people that we can reach out to, which is a lot of people and plenty of people that we can get rocking with this with. After we've created our list, after we have them, we have a couple options. What we want to do in the meantime is just go ahead and click on save. Now what we need to do is write the copy and start sending. So from a copy perspective, from a sending perspective, after we've saved this list, we're going to go to campaigns. We're going to click add new. Let's just call it real estate USA. We're going to click on continue. And now our campaign has been built. This is where integrating with Instantly's lead finder is just paramount. So all I need to do is click on import, click on use lead finder. I'm going to go ahead and load the list that I just created. And then I'm just going to select, let's just call it 25, add to campaign, add it to the campaign that I already made, and go ahead and click add to campaign. Then now, once I go back to my campaign, all of the leads will be in here ready to rock. And you can see right here in verification queue. That means that they're verifying. So when I'm sending emails, I'm not going to get a bunch of bounced emails. I'm not going to get a bunch of old emails. They're verifying them internally with the tool, saving me more money on a software that I can use. So now what we need to do is go to sequences and start writing email copy. So it's super easy to do within Instantly. So I'm just going to go ahead and type some email copy that should get some good responses. So first email is simply hi first name in the subject line. Hi first name, how's the market and city? Heard it's a great spot to be an agent. Anyway, reason for my reach out is that we help agents get out of the grind of chasing leads and attract new clients using video. Cool if I send you over some more info. So here's how this would look. So as I'm writing these, if I click on the variables, I can switch the variable to different things essentially. So if I clicked on location, how's the market in Bayview, United States? So now what we want to do is we want to write copy. So for this case, I'm going to just make it very simple and show you guys sort of some logic. So the logic for this email looks like you're crushing it at the name of the company that they're at. So we wanted to reach out. We help realtors get out of the grind, pain point of chasing leads, pain point, dream outcome, and attract 5 to 10 new clients per month using our unique mechanism, which is the social funnel system. Is it cool if I send you over a personalized video with more info? This is how it looks. Then what we want to do is we want to add a couple more emails. So just some quick follow-up ones. Let's just do, hey, first name. Following up here, we just helped our client Brandon get 5 new clients last quarter using our most known agent system. Cheers. Then we're going to send another one. We're just going to make this 3 days later. We're going to do a 2-day later. Let's just add in, hey, first name. When you're back here, are you currently looking to develop new business? Austin Schneider. And then if we don't hear back, I usually like to do like a, let's just call it like a 14-day follow-up. Let's change that to 14 and do something like, hey, first name, timing is everything, any push for a video this year. Austin, and then from my iPhone as another trick. So here's just an example campaign that we can use as it pertains to reaching out to people and getting people's attention. So if we have a list of, let's call it 10,000 leads that we're sending within a month, and we're sending 4 emails within the month, okay, that's 40,000 emails per month that you're able to send to. So after the emails have been warmed up, let's call it around 2 weeks of warming up. Now all we need to do is simply launch the campaign. So if I go to schedule, I can add the schedule in which I want to send them. I can click on options, and then from the accounts to use, I can select all the accounts that I want to send from. So if we added 30 in there, we want to make sure that we add 30 accounts to send from. I uncheck stop to auto reply, go ahead and click launch. So now what you're able to do is as you're sending the campaigns and sending them is you'll have an analytics dashboard where you can see how well the campaign is doing by the specific campaign or overall how many emails that you're actually sending. Also, you get to monitor all of the leads from one inbox. You can monitor them and sort them by meeting booked, interested, lead, and there's even a CRM that you're able to use and leverage and manage that's literally just right in front of you, so you're not spending a bunch more money on other software. So what I would do is I would just keep this up in your browser, and as you're monitoring, or if you have a team of people, make sure that they're monitoring the positive replies of people that come through. Guys, remember, speed lead is key here. You need to follow up quick and be persistent. All right, y'all, hopefully this is helpful and you got value from how you can practically turn less than $600 into $120,000 with no fluff, guys. It's super important to follow this step by step and create the KPIs and numbers that work best in your niche. Keep going, keep testing, keep sending, guys.